there are states out there where once you reach MMI, you're done. Your benefits just automatically just stop. Maximum medical improvement, or MMI, is just a fancy term for saying you're as good as you're going to get. The doctor is the one, your authorized treating physician, ATP, again, there's all these terms, I know. Your doctor is the one who says you've reached the point of maximum medical improvement. Again, just means that you're as good as you're going to get, despite what other treatment you may have in the future. At that point, once you've reached MMI, or a doctor says you've reached MMI, they will typically assign an impairment rating, or a permanent partial disability rating, or PPD for short. Again, I know all these terms. And at that point, what the doctor does, looks at your body, does an eval, sees your range of motion, what you can and cannot do anymore because of your accident or injury, and then we'll assign you a rating. It could be 5%, 10%, 20%, it could be to the whole body, to a body part, and that rating is basically converted into money or a benefit for you. Most cases end up settling way before you reach MMI and are given a PPD rating, so most cases don't get to the MMI point. The ones that do, you could settle afterwards, or some cases don't settle at all, but by far most cases end up settling before you reach MMI. And a lot of people say, well, how can that be if you don't know what it's going to be? Well, typically what we do is we estimate, we make an educated guess based on experience as to what that rating will likely be, and typically we will have a much higher rating than the insurance company. We shoot high, they shoot low, and we come up to a number somewhere between the two estimates. But again, making an educated guess as to what the doctor will likely give you, and then you negotiate from there. The good thing about Georgia workers' comp law, one of the few things, is that it's not an MMI state. I mean by that, it means that there are states out there where once you reach MMI, you're done. Your benefits just automatically just stop. Georgia is not one of those states. So when you reach MMI, it doesn't mean that your benefits will stop if you're getting a check. It doesn't mean they stop necessarily. It doesn't mean your medical benefits stop. You keep getting benefits. So that's one good thing. But that's basically MMI in a nutshell. If you have any state-specific questions with regard to Georgia, let me know. If you have an accident or injury in a different state, reach out to me, because I probably know an excellent lawyer in your area.